This is the Gerber Fit orange pocket tool. Its model number is 30-000376. It uses one AAA battery to power this 25 lumen LED light. It's got an extra long screwdriver that has an interchangeable Phillips or flathead head on it. And it just so happens to be that it's perfectly aligned with the flashlight, so that way you can turn the flashlight on and see what you're working on. It's got a partially serrated knife blade, a pair of spring-loaded scissors, and also a little deeper into the tool is a punch and another little small Phillips screwdriver. The tools lock into place thanks to this integrated locking system. This is the Gerber Fit orange multi-tool, model number 30-000376.